Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Vagaro, a popular appointment booking software. I've been using Vagaro for a while now, and I've found it to be a great tool for managing my clients' appointments. One of the things I'm always asked about is how long it takes to get paid from Vagaro. So, in this video I'm going to answer that question for you. But before we get into the details, let's talk a little bit about what Vagaro is and how it works. Vagaro is an online appointment booking software that allows you to manage your clients' appointments, schedule appointments, and process payments. It's a great tool for businesses that offer services, such as salons, spas, and massage therapists. Now, let's get to the question of how long it takes to get paid from Vagaro. The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including your payment processor and your deposit schedule. Payment processor. Vagaro integrates with a number of different payment processors, such as Stripe and Square. The payment processor you use will determine how long it takes for you to receive your funds. Deposit schedule. Vagaro offers two different deposit schedules, daily and weekly. If you're on the daily deposit schedule, you'll receive your funds the next business day after the transaction is processed. If you're on the weekly deposit schedule, you'll receive your funds on Fridays. Here's a breakdown of the typical payment schedule for Vagaro. Daily deposit schedule. Monday through Thursday, transactions processed by 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time will be deposited the next business day. Friday through Sunday, transactions processed by 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time will be deposited on the following Tuesday. Weekly deposit schedule. Transactions processed by 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Friday will be deposited on the following Friday. In addition to the payment schedule, there are a few other factors that can affect how long it takes to get paid from Vagaro. These factors include bank holidays. If a bank holiday falls on the day your funds are scheduled to be deposited, your funds will be deposited on the next business day. Technical issues. If there are any technical issues with Vagaro or your payment processor, this can delay your payments. Overall, it typically takes 1 to 2 business days to get paid from Vagaro. However, there are a few factors that can affect this timeline. So there you have it. That's how long it takes to get paid from Vagaro. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.